After pressure from several Western countries, Andorra, which was once completely tax-free, has now introduced some taxes. We will talk first about companies and then about individuals. Companies are subject to a corporate tax of 10%. In particular, from January 1, 2015, Andorra collects both income tax and capital gains tax related to the company. Income tax will be charged at a maximum rate of 10%. On the other hand, on the earnings of individuals, including, for example, salary, retirement income, consultancy fees, and rental income, whether the earnings are accrued in Andorra or abroad, no taxes are paid for the first €24,000. On subsequent earnings, between €24,000 and €40,000, a tax of 5% is paid. And on earnings exceeding the aforementioned €40,000, a maximum tax of 10% is paid. Dividend income and interest from bonds, bank deposits or loans will generally be taxed at 10% for amounts exceeding €3,000. Dividends paid by resident companies to resident individuals are totally exempt from tax. In Andorra, corporate capital gains tax also applies at a rate of 10%, but if you own less than 25% of an entity's share capital, there is no capital gain tax liability. Of course, these are manageable aspects in the context of tax planning. There is also a general exemption on earnings made from foreign real estate held for more than 10 years. In addition, you will be able to deduct any foreign taxes from any Andorran taxes, including as a rule the income taxes mentioned above. Even with this new regulatory landscape, the vast majority of people who move to Andorra immediately accrue substantial tax savings compared to what they would pay in a country of origin. In the next video of this series, we will see a fundamental aspect, that is when you are considered tax resident in Andorra, which allows you to access the tax regime described above. In addition, we will also see some special cases, asking ourselves if there are easier ways for those who manage consulting or other online activities, and have customers residing outside the territory of Andorra. If you need specific advice, you can contact us at the email you find in the description. Remember that laws change all the time, therefore it is essential to check the law in force when you decide to relocate or move abroad. It is also very important that you speak to your international tax attorney before starting any type of tax planning or relocation of your business. Do not hesitate to contact us if you would like us to provide you with the contact information of highly qualified tax attorneys who are specifically qualified to help clients in your situation.